everyone, welcome to the Ivy Professional School and welcome to our Power BI series. So recently there have been some changes that has been brought in by Microsoft Power BI. So if you have gone through the March updates for Power BI, so there has been quite a number of changes. Amongst which the most important change has been the visualization panel change. Okay, so if you can see in my screen, so earlier the visualization pane was on the right hand side here between the filters and the data or the fields pane, but now it has gone on the top, and once we click here you can see now the visuals have been categorized or segmented into different segments or categorized into different categories and segment as for different visuals. Okay, the fields pane name has also changed to data. So now the change or the feature that have been updated, it's called on object interaction. So how do you activate on object interaction? So we can go to file, go to option and settings, go to options, and in the preview features you have the on object interaction. So you have to select it, click OK, and then you need to restart your system or restart Power BI. Okay, so once that's done, you will be seeing the update has already been on your top. So let's see how this works now compared to the previous features, previous time features. So suppose I want to bring in a chart. So right now you have all the visualization options available on the visual itself. So we can click here. Let's add in the y-axis. Let me add my products, the product name, and in the x-axis let me add my cells. Okay, so here I gave the product name, or let me, okay, now if you are an Excel user, you would have seen when you put up any charts or graph on in Excel, so it gives a similar kind of a format option. Okay, so similarly Power BI has added it. So if I want to go ahead and add the data level, I can do it directly from here by clicking on more option. You get the rest of the option. If you want to change the bar color, you can do from there, and rest of the options are available now from this pane. Okay, now suppose if I want to go ahead and use a card. Okay, so if I use a card and I want to bring in total cells, again I can go here and add the data cells. Okay, and now suppose if you want to get the average of it, so you can simply click on here and select average, and you will get the average of cells. You can definitely round this up to 2 figures. So now it offers or suggests a type also. Suppose if I have done it in probably a matrix, let me go ahead and use a matrix and add the value of cells. So if I add it, and simply if I offer a suggest, it would suggest me that no, I should use a card in this case instead of a matrix. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you.